Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to contact Geico's customer service through the Geico mobile app in 2025. It's gonna be a quick one. We're not gonna waste too much time on this topic. Just gonna give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get into it. Now, what you're going to need to do is to log into the Geico mobile app. So go ahead and open up the Geico mobile app on your mobile device and log into your account. Now, once you're logged into your account, you're just going to click on Help. So go and click on Help and then select the Contact Us option. And once you're there, you can choose your contact method. Could be by phone or by email or live chat. And once you've chosen that, you're going to enter your questions or concerns and just submit that to Geico's customer service. That's, of course, if you're using the email method. And once you've submitted your questions or your concerns, just wait for a response from Geico customer service, and they're going to get back to you on that. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to contact Geico's customer service through the mobile app in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.